Hi everyone, I'm here at the AWS Village and I'm at the data and analytics space with Rajiv and Raks. First of all, welcome to the Ravit Show. Super excited to chat. I'm kind of curious to know because the booths are buzzing here and you all have been talking to a lot of customers and users. Tell us more about what are customers asking and at the same time, what are they most excited about?
Yeah, so they're really asking and they're really excited about this new concept of distributed analytics. So what that means is, being able to have the freedom of choice, be able to have your data in a place where it can easily be shared,
Right.
and then also like govern it and permission it, so that they have this concept of data products and you have a concept of data owners, and different consumers consume the way that they want to consume it, right? Anything you want to add about that?
Yeah, I mean, customers are looking to bring their own compute,
Right.
and they are looking to unify the storage as well as unify the governance.
Yes.
That is one common central theme that we have been hearing with a lot of customers.
That's fantastic. You all mentioned about, obviously this common theme, but I'm also kind of curious with the AI, with the agentic, things have kind of, changed massively, right?
Oh, absolutely.
I'm kind of curious to learn how is data obviously supported AI, but also AI kind of doing and supporting data in different ways, and analytics kind of moving and now the data analytics folks are more productive as well. Can you share a little bit about that? Maybe Rajiv, you can go first.
Yeah, I mean, it's amazing. Like when it comes to data and AI, number one, if you're trying to build AI products, right?
Right.
It's so critical to have your platform be powered by data, and that's how you differentiate, right? Because you can't, if you're just using a regular LLM, then you're no different than anybody else. But your data, your customer information is so critical to make that unique. And then the next thing is about agents and MCP servers, right? So a lot of these agent products, they work off of MCP servers. An MCP server is what the agent knows as to how to communicate with the data, how to get the data back,
Yes.
right? So now you have those MCP servers to both service analytical scenarios on how to answer this question and tell you about your sales or tell you about your revenue, right? But then you have the other aspect of it, of the build aspect of it. So how do you build these data platforms and how to use MCP servers to create a database, create a data warehouse, create a table, tune an environment, build a materialized view. So all of those aspects of development now become powered by agents and become powered by AI. So you can build things more rapidly and create value for your customers more rapidly.
Yeah, I love it. Anything that you would like to add, Rex?
Yeah, I mean, when we work with the customers, right, like all the customers want to move fast as far as the
So true.
agentic AI application
Right.
is concerned. But beyond the POC, there are a very small percentage of the customers who actually move from POC to production.
Production, true?
And the whole reason why it takes them so much time to move from POC to prod is because they need to have a solid data foundations first. That is a very integral part, that if you have a solid data foundation and then you build your Gen AI applications on top of that, it will not hallucinate. It will give you the right recommendations. So our recommendations when we work with the customers is always to start with a solid data foundation, make sure that you unify the storage, unify the governance, and then you can build a modern Gen AI applications on top of that.
Love it. These are fantastic insights, Rajiv, Rax. One last question for both of you. If people want to follow you guys and what your team has been building, which is the best place? LinkedIn? Is there some website they should be looking at or anything else?
Yeah, absolutely. So you can follow me on LinkedIn. So I'm there. I'm sure Raks is on LinkedIn
Yes,
as well.
everyone is over there. Raks, Khare.
But absolutely, and then on our product pages, right? Like if you ever wanted to do a POC, we have links on our product pages, so if you can start a POC, you can engage us. Actually, Raks and I are part of a specialist solution architecture team. So the way that works is you talk to your account manager, they open up a request, and then we help you out. We can get you started, analyze your existing data in your platform, and get you prepared and ready to build your AI applications.
Love the work that you guys are doing in the space. We'll keep the conversation going, but thanks for doing this and have a fantastic AWS week.
Nice
Sure.
meeting you.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
a lot.
Thank
Thanks
you
a lot.
very
Yep,
much.
nice meeting you. Bye-bye.